Hey, it's a spooky month. Want to go to Subway? Hello everybody, welcome to Lolly Feast, and today we're going up to Subway.
I'm blind.
I know, it's kind of bright out here even though it's cloudy.
Where's the sun?
I don't know. But this is our third spooky month video, or Halloween month video. It's a vlog. We're going up to Subway. What?
You say third?
Isn't there a third? Yeah, like the upload video that I uploaded. It's technically ours.
Count.
It counts.
That's just an extra upload.
It's just an extra upload, but Halloween month.
Like
Because we're lazy and we don't want to make another skit because we have no ideas.
What?
Lolly Piece, the movie. No, but yeah, we're going up to Subway because in our first Subway vlog we had roll the clip. Hello everybody, welcome to Lolly Piece Abandoned Explorers. We're gonna go in this abandoned freaking thing called the car wash. Wow, it's pretty neat. You know, it's a spooky month. Maybe something spooky's gonna happen. Oh shit! Oh, it's a grill. That was a pretty good clip.
Oh, right.
Yes, here we are. Walking up to Subway.
Hey, you.
What?
Give me your money.
Okay. Oh shit! Oh god, why am I not running? Why are my legs not running? Oh god! Shit! Wow! Here we are. I can't believe I didn't get hit by that punch. That was. Oh god! Oh no! Actually gets punched. Oh no! Oh wow!
Speed bumps.
Speed bumps. Whoa. Spooky speed bumps.
They're gonna kill me.
Derek ruined the grass. Who cares?
Hi.
Oh, she's alive. Derek's out. Pennywise. Mail.
Mail. You've got mail.
Mail. You see the skull? There goes the squirrel.
Has a big tail.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Walking through the grass. Walking through the grass. Did they just say hi to me? Hi. Wow. Hey, look. Wow, look over there. Oh, is that my Subway? Oh, we've been traveling for years just to get to this spot. Bench. What?
But there's a stop sign.
Oh, it's gonna tell us to stop, but we've been walking for so long. I can't stop. I must continue going.
Yellow lights are flashing.
Are they slowing down?
Yellow lights are flashing.
Let's go. Oh god.
No.
Damn, you ruined the grass growing again. Well, we gotta go that way now.
That way.
That way, to Subway. You know, we're gonna run into something there too, you know. I don't know, you know. It's not Halloween yet, so it can't be that scary, right?
Nah.
Nah, not yet. You know, the scariness only gets really, really bad on Halloween. October is pretty scarier than other months, but no, it can't be that scary. You know, no, it can't be that scary. Not like there's a hole in front of me. Huh. Kind of red, yeah. Hey, it's holiday. I'm not going to you, but yeah, let's go over this way. Already? We're not even in the parking lot of the goddamn haunted, abandoned place yet. Can't be that spooky. You know, it's not like...
What?
You know we have to do it. You know it's time to do the normal thing of every Halloween, but kinda, I don't know, yes. Hello everybody, welcome to Van Explorers.
Hi.
We're here at the same goddamn place we always do.
How are we not retired?
I don't know, I'm like 73 years old now.
Can't believe it.
I can't believe it. Alright guys, this is the Van Explorers. 20 years in the making, I don't know. Oh yeah, we're going over here, you know, it can't be too scary. Yeah.
Right before?
Oh, I think it did. But you know, who cares when... Oh, ow, didn't that hurt? Okay, here we go. Oh shit, guys! Oh, the girl's fucking gone.
Oh, hey, I'm young again.
Yeah, we're young again. Wow, why was I just speaking in my old voice?
Wait. It's because this place is haunted.
Oh yeah, let's keep walking through here. Abandoned alleyway of death. Wait, Derek, is this where you got the drugs that one time?
No. Where's the spooky elevator though?
Oh yeah. This is just the abandoned alleyway of death.
It's different.
They have Coca-Cola here. All right, guys, we're gonna look in here. I can't see anything.
Is there a ghost?
I can't tell. It's too bright. You see
There's a
anything?
ghost.
Oh wow.
I see it.
A ghost. Ghost car. Guys, there's a scarier place on Earth. More scarier than hell, the portal to hell or anything. More scarier than the abandoned car wash. It's called a bank. It's so scary.
Take my money.
Alright, since we're already almost a Subway, you know, I think it's about time that we sing the Halloween anthem. That's just Holly Peace and Halloween combined. Alright, Halloween. Okay, here we go. It's Halloween and Fortnite! Alright, so real talk, no more skits for the rest of the video, totally.
That's a lot of metal.
Yeah, it is a lot of metal. Hey, it's Blue Order's truck. What? Apparently. He has a truck now. Anyways, so yeah, no, we actually are, yeah, this is pretty great. I don't know, it's not like there's another hole in front of me. Hello. Oh wow, hey, look, would you look at that, we made it to Subway. So we're gonna stop the video here.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you like this spooky Halloween video, this is totally spooky, Halloween vlog up to Subway, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh no, Derek's turning into Derek's home, Derek. Oh no, hey! Scariest thing of them all, Corona. Super scary.